HP Thunderbolt docks use USB-C power delivery, or PD, to charge your laptop. This technology allows the dock to negotiate and deliver the right amount of power through a single USB-C cable. When charging fails, the problem usually comes from three main areas: USB-C PD incompatibilities, using the wrong power adapter, or having outdated firmware on your dock or laptop. First, let's look at the USB-C connector itself. This diagram shows the pinout, including power delivery pins that handle the charging negotiation. USB-C PD requires compatible hardware to work properly. If there's an incompatibility, the dock can't provide the power your laptop needs. Second, the power adapter must match the dock's requirements. This image shows an HP laptop charger with its key features, including the wattage rating and connectors. Using the wrong wattage adapter can prevent proper charging. The adapter shown here is designed specifically for HP devices. Third, outdated firmware can cause charging issues. This image shows a typical AC adapter setup that powers the dock. Firmware updates ensure compatibility. We'll address these issues directly in the following sections to get your laptop charging again through your HP Thunderbolt dock. USB-C power delivery, or PD, is a protocol that allows devices to negotiate and deliver variable power levels through USB-C connections. For your HP Thunderbolt dock to charge your laptop, both devices must support PD and be compatible with the dock's power output. First, verify that your laptop supports USB-C PD. Check your laptop's specifications or HP documentation to confirm it can receive power through USB-C ports. Not all laptops have this capability. Next, ensure your laptop is compatible with your dock's power output. HP Thunderbolt docks typically provide 65 watts, 100 watts, or 140 watts. Your laptop must be able to accept power at these levels. Mismatched demands will prevent charging. HP's documentation lists compatible laptop models. Check the official HP website or your dock's manual to verify your laptop is on the list. Cable quality also matters. Use Thunderbolt certified cables for reliable power delivery. If your setup doesn't match, consider using a separate PD-compatible charger. GAN chargers like these can provide the necessary power directly to your laptop, bypassing dock limitations. HP Thunderbolt docks require specific power adapters for proper charging. Using an incompatible or lower wattage adapter can result in undercharging or complete failure to charge your laptop. Always check the adapter's label and your dock's manual to ensure you're using the correct wattage, such as 65 watts or 100 watts. Outdated firmware on the dock or your laptop's BIOS can cause PD negotiation failures. Use the HP Support Assistant app to update both. Enable USB-C charging in your BIOS settings if available. Firmware updates often include crucial charging bug fixes. When troubleshooting charging issues with your HP Thunderbolt dock, inspect and replace cables as a key step. Use a Thunderbolt-certified USB-C cable that supports power delivery to ensure reliable charging. Faulty or low-quality cables can interrupt power delivery, preventing your laptop from charging properly. Try a different, known good cable to rule out cable issues quickly. Thunderbolt 4 cables are recommended for best performance and compatibility with HP docks. To troubleshoot BIOS settings for your HP Thunderbolt dock charging issue, first access your laptop's BIOS setup. Once in BIOS, look for USB-C power delivery settings in the Configuration or Advanced sections and make sure they are enabled. After enabling the settings, save your changes and restart the laptop to apply them. If the dock fails to charge, test by connecting your laptop directly to a USB-C power delivery charger, bypassing the dock entirely. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the dock or the laptop's charging system. Plug the USB-C PD charger directly into the laptop's port. If it charges successfully, the problem is likely with the docking station. As a workaround, consider using a dedicated USB-C PD adapter for charging instead of relying on the dock. This provides consistent power delivery. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact HP support. They can provide specific troubleshooting or determine if there's a hardware fault. Have your dock and laptop model numbers ready for faster assistance.